Hey, how's it going? I'm sitting in front of a mid-century modern piece and I'm so excited about it. I have been wanting to make over a piece like this for ages. They are so hard to come by. They go like that on Facebook. And when it came up in my area, about 30 minutes from us, it was a rainstorm, and I said to my husband, there's a mid-century modern piece and it's still available, and he said I can come get it right now. Let's go. So we get in the car and off we go. I could see its potential. My husband wasn't sure, and so we nicknamed it Frank, short for Frankenstein. And now that I'm done, he's a believer. He's like, oh, it is, it's so beautiful. It didn't need a lot doing to it. It's a really simple, straightforward makeover. And so with that, oh, hang on. If you're new, hi, I'm Sarah and welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, hey guys, how's it going? Let's get into the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, you could just hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Videos come out every Wednesday at 3 p.m. And enough housekeeping, let's just get into it. I took piano hinges off the edges there, and I guess there used to be a door there, and there's magnets there. So I'm not going to be replacing that. Since I'm going to be painting this trim, I'm going to measure some wood and put it in. And there you have it. Filled the 2 holes. And I'm gonna fill the little gaps, the teeny tiny gaps that you can see with wood fill. Glue it, nail gun it. Sorted. So I'm just going to use my mouth sander, and I'm giving it a scuff sand. Just trying to get the shine off the surface. I don't want to scratch too far down into it and leave little squigglies or ruin the veneer, because I'm going to be painting the outside. I am going to be doing a more thorough sanding on the door fronts. They are in really good shape. There's a couple of nicks, only 2 nicks that I repaired. And the legs are going to get a really good sand, because I'm going to restain those because they're in rough shape. wax in dark walnut. Oh, forgot my hair. Oh, I always do that. Always, every single time. Mixed my own paint. It's leftovers of a Dixie Belle paint. So it's a black Caviar, Stormy Seas, which is like a bluey grey, and another grey. Anyway, so I've done 2 coats of undercoat of primer, and I've sanded down lightly with a 320 grit between, and now I'm just going to go in with my chalk brush, vintage tonality. Just make sure that it all gets on there. Nice thin coat, not too drippy. I don't want it too thick that it's gonna drip. And then I'm gonna sand between that coat, and then I'm gonna use my spray bottle on the second coat just to smooth it out a little bit more. Because this is the next day, I've had these in a plastic bag, and they haven't dried out, they're totally fine, but I just give them a little spray to wet them back up again. And I'm going to need my spray bottle this time because it's a mid-century modern piece. I don't want it to have like the chalky textured brush lines, which I don't care about on the other pieces that I'm purposely doing that. So I'm going to lightly spray the piece, and then paint, and that'll smooth it out. And I'll probably end up doing 3 coats. This is coat number 2. Right, hardly any on my brush. light spray. See that? Okay, not here, up here. No brush strokes. It looks good. I'm gonna let it dry. And then it is gonna need a third coat. Because I've done really thin coats because I don't want it to be runny or glossy or anything, so I'm alright with multiple coats, 3 coats. I am using Minwax polyacrylic in matte and my Old Faithful sponge. This flip was fairly straightforward. Biggest issues were filling in the gaps here at the front and then the handle, which I still haven't come up with a solution. I did spray paint the original hardware and so they're all matching. I did not videotape it for some reason. I don't know why, so sorry, but I mean, I'm sure you don't want to see me spray paint handles anyway. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's a really particular design and the mid-century modern design is really particular as well, and so you can't just stick any old handle on there, and I've been searching and searching, so much so I've driven myself crazy some nights and I've had to put my phone down. But I will find something, some sort of solution, even if the solution is just posting it and selling it as is without the handle and just, you know, stating that in the ad that there was a handle missing, and if they want to come up with a solution or find a handle for that, they can. It's still functional. The top drawer has one handle, the middle drawer has 2 handles. I guess it's just the design, so it's like, it's supposed to look like this and repeat right there. Every drawer has a handle, every drawer is, you can open it, but it's just the design element is missing. So next week's piece is a simple flip from start to finish, how you can make over a piece of furniture and add some legs to it. That is next week's piece, and I hope to see you guys on that video. Recently, I posted a bonus video about a refund that I had to give to a person on Facebook Marketplace, and I just wanted to say this will be posted a few weeks after that, and I got to say it on Instagram and Facebook, so if you follow me over there, sorry if you've already seen this, but I just wanted to say thank you very much for all the love and support and encouragement and kind words that you guys said to me, and the reassurance of that I did the right thing and you guys would have done the same thing if you were in my shoes. It was just really reassuring, and I'm just so thankful for this community that I find myself a part of, and I could not have dreamt that it would be as good as it is. And so anyway, I'm just really grateful, and I wanted to take this opportunity to say that I'm grateful for you guys.